For this project, I'm creating an MMD style video in VRChat by filming from multiple camera angles. I'll use the free version of DaVinci Resolve to do the editing, and I'll be using a dance choreography created by Song. I'm filming in this world made by Hani. It's called Silent. On the camera, I can set it to world and then turn on smoothed and look at me. And also in focus, I can turn on autofocus. I can also adjust the zoom level. I'll film the same dance from multiple different camera angles. I've renamed all my clips. Since VRChat was rendering too slow, I'm using FlowFrames to interpolate any duplicated video frames. I'm enabling De-duplication. I'll turn off scene changes and set the output frame rate to 60. I'll add all my clips to the batch queue and click Start. I'll drag the interpolated clips into the media pool. Right-click and select Generate Optimized Media. On the media screen, I'll select all of the clips, right-click and select Create New MultiCam Clip using selected clips. I'll rename the clip. I'll use the file names for the camera angle names and synchronize the clips based on the sound. I'm dragging the multicam clip onto the timeline. I'll normalize the audio levels and trim both ends of the clip. In the edit screen, I'll turn off the effects, media pool and inspector. On the left screen, I'll choose to display the multicam view. I can adjust the number of clips shown and choose to only switch the video track when changing camera angles. I want the camera angles to change on the beat of the music, so I'll add some markers to the audio track. In the Fairlight screen, I'm enabling the transient detection feature. I'll turn on the transient detection for the audio track. I'll select the audio track. I can use the up and down arrows on the keyboard to jump between the beats in the audio. I'll use the M key to add markers to the track. I'll move the audio track ahead of the video by a few frames. I'll go through the clip selecting different camera angles. I can drag the transition points to align with the markers on the music track. I can change the camera angle for an existing clip by right-clicking and selecting Switch Multicam Clip Angle. In the Inspector tab, I can enable keyframes for the zoom, position and rotation of each clip. I can adjust these settings to create additional camera movement. I will also add some transitions. I'm pressing Ctrl A to select all the clips. Right-click on the transition and select Add to Selected Endpoints and Clips. I'm pressing Ctrl A again on the timeline to select everything. I'll drag the transition on top of the transition in the timeline to select all the transitions. I can then adjust the settings of all the transitions together. I'll add an adjustment clip on the next video track. This will need to cover the entire timeline. I'll choose to flip the video. And in the Fusion page, I'm pressing Ctrl plus space to bring up the tool search. I'll add soft glow and sharpen. I want the soft glow to change with the music, so I'll render the music track to a WAV file. I've installed a plugin for DaVinci called Suck Less Audio Modifier, which allows me to adjust any parameter based on a WAV file. On the Modifiers tab, I can select a WAV file and configure how it affects a variable. I'll enable video and render my project. Finally, to add motion blur, I'm using FlowFrames to interpolate the video by 8 frames. I'll turn off De-duplication and enable scene changes. In the developer options, I'll choose to blend together 8 frames.